guys, CL to Hemi coming back with another video, another banger. Bro, this sun is bright, boy. It's like 80-something degrees out here in Charlotte, bro. It's hot. It's hot. But it's Thursday, so you know we're going straight to the track. Well, I'm not going to the track. I'm not getting my M5 on the track at all. If y'all want to see me get the car on the track, let me know, you guys, so I can go ahead and plan that out. But, I mean, I'm not really a big track fan, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't think this car is meant for the track anyways, bro. Like, I don't know. I could be wrong. But, oh, excuse me. Have some Chick-fil-A. You see I'm at the gas pump right now. I'm about to get gas. There was a gas shortage, but, I mean, I guess we got gas again. So, like I said, if y'all want to see me get on the track, let me know. I can go and set that up maybe one Thursday just for the heck of it. I might do it today. Depends on how I'm feeling. I don't plan on it. But, I mean, who knows? It's about to be crazy out here at the track, though. Like, today is one of the biggest days that's gonna happen at the track. You know what I'm saying? Like, we got a whole bunch of crazy cars coming up. So, stay tuned. I'm about to get some gas, wait for my boy Russ, and hop right into this video, bro. You know it's about to be crazy, so stay tuned. Yeah, y'all can't drive? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so we made it to the track. My car's over there. I'm not racing, but it's about to get crazy. Ice 1100 horsepower Corvette. Yes, RS3, RS7. Yes, sir. You running her? No. Oh.
We're coming out. When the big boy comes,
it's too fast for an A-file, man.
Excuse me.
you can have
Excuse me.
We just came to talk shit.
06. Look at this, bro. One of a kind. One of a kind. He said y'all too slow. Heard it from me first. Heard it from me first. M5. What M5 go? The M5 left. It's clean too. Got tires. You know you fast when you got the fire extinguisher inside the car. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, bro. We're gonna get into this video. This was the M5 I'm talking about, F90. Oh man. So he went with the Project Gamma intakes. I might have to grab me some. I can grab those. Project Gammas, they come out right here. I didn't want mine to come out that far. I want mine to come like right there. Car. But she cleaned them. Carbon fiber roof. See, he still has the white spoiler on there, which I changed mine out already. So, and I like that tag. I like that tag. I need y'all to come up with a tag name for me, bro. Y'all can help me out. Send it on my Instagram, comment down below. I might have to go up here and talk, see what they talk about. But this is Stop the Cap Racing, Charlotte, North Carolina. The whole group right here. But I definitely need a tag name, bro. So y'all need a best one. I'll send $30 to them. $30 to the winner. in one.